Hello friends, welcome you all in Seva Samajik Vikas Sanstha Satara. In today's English session, we are going to discuss few idioms and phrases which we are using in our day-to-day life. Friends, these phrases we are using to make our conversation more strong, impactful and powerful. The knowledge of using these phrases and idioms are useful while writing a speech or report and even when the question is there to identify the error or fill in the blank, there also or substitute the phrase, there also you require knowledge of this kind of verbs, phrases or idioms. Now let's see different phrases on the screen. Here, the first example is given. At once, at once wits end. At once wits end means what? Means confused or worried or exhausted by any problem. See here given the meaning of this phrase perplexed or confused, worried, exhausted by any problem to the point of not knowing what to do the next. And why we are confused? Because we are not able to understand what to do the next. In such circumstances or situation, we can use this phrase at once with sin. See the use of this phrase in a proper sentence. Soham was at his wit's end to find that his younger brother has taken poison. Means Soham at his wit's end means he was confused and not able to understand what to do the next when his younger brother has taken poison. Next phrase at one's fingertips. At one's fingertips means very easily available, that kind of knowledge. Having complete knowledge is the meaning of this phrase. See the example. All the rules of synthesis are at his fingertips. Means he is having complete knowledge of related to the synthesis. Next one. At the the spur of moment means without delay. At the spur of moment means without delay, means when we want that action must be done quickly, there we can use this phrase. For example, in an interview we must reply at the spur of the moment, means very quickly we are expected to give answer. Next, all in all means very important, most important. For example, he was the only son in a big family. You know very well, according to the Indian tradition, having son in a family, people are thinking that it is essential, isn't it? So, as he was the only son in a big family, so he was all in all, means most important in his family. All in all. Next, at the close quarter. At the close quarter means when we are doing examination of anyone very closely. That is close examination. Many of my friends proved selfish at close quarter, means when I am examining them very nearly, closely, so I am able to understand that they are very cunning. Okay, at a close quarter. Next, at apple, sorry, and apple pie order. Apple pie order means in a perfect order, properly arranged order. In the on the eve of inspection, means at the event of inspection, everything was kept in apple pie order, means everything was kept perfectly or in proper order as there was inspection. Next, above board means above all, and a person is very honest or straightforward about something. In such case, we can use this phrase above board. I repeat, above board is a phrase we can use when a person is very honest and straightforward. For example, he is known for his above board conduct, means his bold conduct or a honest conduct or straightforward conduct means behavior. Then, above all means before anything else. For example, above all, he is a blunt and daredevil. Next, as fit as Fidel is very strong to face any problem or circumstance. He was recovered from illness and now he is as fit as Fidel. So even this is example of figure of speech simile. So where we are using as, clever as, and then we are giving adjective of someone, isn't it? As cunning as fox, as fast as rabbit, like that. Then as brave as lion. Okay. At random. At random means aimlessly. For example, the Milton fire at random killed a lot of innocent people or person. Milton means Milton means those who are means they are thinking that they are struggling for their rights but in illegal way and by using violent way. So they are called as militant. So militant fired at a random. So for anyone he fired and that's why it killed many innocent people. Next, at a loose end. At a loose end means unoccupied or ideal means without any job, without any work, without any task. For example, nowadays he is at loose end. Why is at loose end? Because he was wound up. Wound up means he closed his business. So he closed, wound up means closed. So he has closed his business and that's why now he is without any occupation. He is idle one. He is without any job and that's why it is said as he is at a close end. Next, at a stone's throw. At a stone throw means very close. Means when you are throwing a stone, it is going very near to you. So to tell that the next person or the thing or the place is very close. At that time we are using this phrase at once a stone's throw. See the example. My friend's house is at a stone's throw from mine. Means the distance between my house and friend's house is very little or the friend's house is very close to me or near to me. So at a stone throw. Then by hook or by crook means by following any way, by following any way, any means like that. For example, he is determined to obtain first division in his class means he determined, he decided, he resolved that he want to achieve the first division in his class by hook or by crook means by following any way that fellow want to be first in the class. Then bear the brunt of. Bear the brunt of means to bear the main shock of something means suffer due to something. For example, the poor have to bear the brunt of increasing prices. The poor have to bear the brunt of means they have to face that shock of increasing prices. Next, bell the cat. Bell the cat means who is means we are using this phrase related to cat and mice means who is ready to face the or to take the risk. So see the sentence. Many people can boast of their bravery, but very few can bell the cat. Means very few have the ability to face the real situation. Next one. Bed define. Bed defines means what? Not paying attention to something, to ignore. See the example. Rohan bed defines to his father's wish of becoming a doctor and instead become an engineer. Here, Rohan bed defense means Rohan ignored his father's wish. Next, blow one's trumpet. Blow one trumpet means praising someone. Okay, so no one like to talk to those who are always blowing their own trumpet means those who are praising themselves. So no one would like to have chat with such people. Next, by fits and star. By fits and stars means irregularly. Fits and stars means irregularly. Means when you are not regular in your efforts. There you can use this phrase. For example, if we study by fits and stars, if we study by fits and stars, means we are irregular in our study, we never successful in our exam. So that is the reason. Next, by dint of means by the force. He achieved success in the life by dint of hard work. Means as he has given more force or importance to the hard work, then he is able to achieve the success. Next, blow hot and cold. Blow hot and cold. What do you mean by these hot and cold? Means these hot and cold, both these words are opposite words. Means at a time, if someone is telling in favor of something as well as in against of something, there we can use this phrase blow hot and cold. So do not trust those who blow hot and cold in same breath. In same breath means at a time. If someone is saying say opposite as well as in favor about something, so we should not trust such people. Or we can have another example such as politicians used to blow hot and cold in their speech before election. Next one, by and by. By and by means slowly, gradually. Okay. Most probably, we are using this phrase regarding recovery from the sickness or about the construction of something or regarding the development of any person or the place. See here, he is recovering by and by after a long illness. So, how he is recovering by and by means gradually, slowly. Next, blue blood. Blood means what? Aristotle, those who are following all traditional things. See the example. Though my friend has blood, means he is a traditional person, yet her conduct means her behavior is not mean, is very mean and vulgar. Next, carry matters with a high hand. Carry matters with the high hand. High hand means what? Very strongly, strictly, when you are dealing with any situation or when you are interacting any person to deal with a person strictly. See the example. The owner of the industry carried the matter with high hands, means very strongly, and expelled two workers who were caught doing mischief in the office. Next, clip one's wing. Clips means remove, cut. Clips one's wing means to put limit on the ability of anyone. See the example. My elder sister, very ambitious, but my mother will surely clip her wings. Next one. Come home to. Come home to means a person came to understand. For example, Seema wanted to be a teacher in the school, but soon it came home to her, means she understood that she was not fit for the job as she was only graduate. Next one, come to stand still. Come to stand still means come to a sudden stop. When we were going to Missouri yesterday, our car came to stand still right the middle of journey. Came to stand still means immediately the car stopped. Then come off with flying colors. Mostly teachers, professors blessing their children in such a way means you should come out successfully. The final football match was very crucial, but finally we won and came off with the flying colors. Next, cross one's mind. Cross one's mind means to occur to oneself. For example, in the examination hall, it crossed my mind that it crossed my mind means it occurred in my mind that I had left my pen outside on the table. Then cry for moon. Cry for moon means you are trying or you are wishing something which is not within your reach. So to wish for something is possible. See the sentence. The hope of winning the lottery amounting to lakhs of rupees is simply crying for the moon. Next one, curry favor with. Curry favor with means win favor of someone. Nina got a lot of costly presents to her teacher. And why she brought such present to her teacher? To carry favor with her means to get the favor from the teacher. So in second part we will study few more such phrases. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a good day to everyone for being with me. I hope so. You will definitely get benefit from our videos. Thank you.